You remember something? Ano na remember mo? Bakit ka nag-cry?
Because Papa told something and no one play art.
Kasi hindi ka bring ni Papa Jo sa Noah's Play Art?
No.
Sabi niya kanina, i-bring ka daw niya sa Noah's Play Art.
Yeah, tapos he don't pin
Tapos hindi ka pala ni-bring doon?
Yes.
Sige lang kay sabihan natin si Papa Jo, ha? Hindi ka na mag-cry, mag-sleep ka na. Kay sarado naman tong Ace ngayon, hindi na kayo dun makago. Okay?
Okay.
You sleep na eh.
That's why I need to play.
That's why you?
Want to play.
That's why you want to play? Kasi hindi ka nagidala ni Papa Jo dun sa Noah's?
Yes. There's some toys to play.
Ano?
There's some toys to play.
Dami toys doon to play?
Yeah, that. Because Noah's play art and I just woke up on the night time, then I just play on my own.
Ay, mag-play ka na lang your own. Kasi hindi ka dinala doon ni Papa Jo. Ang buti, dami naman kayo play nila ka Ate Creamy kanina. Kuya Sky, ni Ate Fern.
Yes, but they have many toys. But it's not complete yet because they have a toy. They have many. They have slides. They myself. Tapos si Bao dami. Tapos ay have slides. Tapos ay have no big slide. Then I have trampoline.
Ay, wala ka trampoline dito. Wala sang big slide dito. Sige lang kay you have cuff pa man tsaka you have sipon. Hindi pa man doon pwede ang mga kids na with cuff tsaka sipon. Okay, mahawa yung other kids. Next time na lang ha. We'll tell Papa Jo, okay? Opo?
Because I have a brother. Then the guy say, Eli, you have open nothing. I say, yeah. Then the guy say, Eli, why you have open? No, opo.
Po. Next time na kayo ni Papa Jo mag-play sa Noah's Play Ark, ha? Kung wala ka na obo at saka sipon, ha?
Morning time.
Opo. Okay ka na?
Ma, you don't cut me nails pa.
Cut natin yan bukas. Okay? Kasi nag-play man ikaw sa sand. Kaya na dirty.
But I want to play on the sun now.